Unforgettable adventures, from the thrill of the theater to the comfort of your home. You can always count on something new and exciting from Disney. And now, Walt Disney World celebrates its 25th anniversary.
Come on, Abby, you can do it. She'll never learn.
Sure she will. But Mom says we can't go to Disney World until you can walk. Not to pressure you, but I loved it when I was a kid, and now I want to take you guys.
Just try, okay?
Come celebrate all the magic of Disney World's 25th anniversary.
I'm really glad we decided not to wait till she learned how to...
Well, it's time to remember the magic.
Join us for a special preview from Walt Disney Pictures.
Coming to theaters this Thanksgiving. One of Disney's all-time animated favorites comes to life. 101 Dalmatians, featuring 101 of the furriest and funniest stars you've ever seen. Versus the meanest, nastiest, and most outrageous Disney villain of all, Cruella de Vil.
Poison them, drown them, bash them on the head. I don't care how you kill the little beast, just do it, and do it now! Take it!
Walt Disney Pictures presents Glenn Close in an all-new live-action motion picture event. 101 Dalmatians. You're invited behind the scenes for a sneak preview of the next Disney animated feature film. Coming to theaters, summer 1997 from Walt Disney Pictures.
Long ago, there was a golden age of powerful gods and extraordinary heroes. And the greatest and strongest of all these heroes was the mighty Hercules.
Get your sword! The hero is only as good as his weapon!
It's the legendary story of one of history's greatest heroes.
Next time, don't let your guard down because of a pair of big blue eyes!
Hercules.
What was that name?
Hercules.
Yeah, Hercules!
Why does that name ring a bell?
I don't know. Maybe we owe him money?
What you folks need is a hero.
Yeah. And who are you?
I happen to be... a hero.
Directors John Musker and Ron Clements, the creators of Aladdin and The Little Mermaid, lead a creative team of artists
I'm telling you, wackos.
that bring the characters to life.
Name is Hades, Lord of the Dead. Hi, how you doing?
We are worms!
Including 3 fates with the power to see the future.
Indoor plumbing. It's gonna be big.
And featuring music and songs by Alan Menken and lyrics by David Zippel.
No one's brave enough.
Use your head! Not bad, kid!
Not exactly what I had in mind, but not bad.
Well, you know how men are. They think get lost means take me, I'm yours.
Next summer, Walt Disney Pictures presents a comedy of epic proportions.
Ah, yes! I like it!
Not a hero! Hercules the hero! Not is a hero! Yes, indeed!
Hercules.
Come in, Herc! Come in, Herc!
There's always something exciting for everyone from Disney Interactive.
Okay, oh yes, one minor note here. Andy's birthday party's been moved to today.
Now, the fun and excitement of Toy Story come to your home computer.
Terrific! Not bad!
Introducing Pixar and Disney's animated storybook Toy Story on CD-ROM. An amazing 3-dimensional adventure.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue!
With a click of the mouse, you bring the story to life. And don't miss Pixar and Disney's Toy Story Activity Center, where you can laugh and learn to infinity and beyond with 8 mind-challenging activities.
You win! What a great game!
For fast-paced fun, the Toy Story CD-ROM game blasts PC gamers to infinity and beyond. It's all the action of the hit Sega Genesis and Super NES video games, now on the computer. Live the adventure when you ride Rex through a sea of hostile toys. Defeat the claw machine. Use Buzz to ward off mutant toys. And escape from Sid's house. In a twisting, action-packed adventure back to Andy's house. 5 ways to live the magic of Toy Story from Disney Interactive.
There are great new shows for kids from the newest member of the Disney family, ABC. Take a look.
This is your TV, ABC!
Get ready for the Mighty Ducks to jump into gear.
Affirmative.
They're hockey-playing ducks.
Deploy.
And full-time crime fighters.
Punch it!
Defending the Earth from one bad dude.
Roast them. We're gonna take out Draconis.
Their battles on and off the ice.
That ought to get his attention.
Make them the toughest ducks you'll ever see.
That's our target.
Disney's Mighty Ducks. Join them Saturdays on ABC, along with brand spanking new Doug and Gargoyles, the Goliath Chronicles, on ABC Saturday mornings. This is your TV, ABC.